Hello, today. Africa. This is SciTech on Africanews. Thank you for joining me. Then I am Ignatius Ano. Now, would you have ever thought that the faeces of some animals can help preserve the extinction of some species? Well, apparently they could. Researchers in England, United Kingdom are collecting faeces of rhinos for a conservation study to help global extinction of threatened species. The team from Chester Zoo and the University of Manchester has dubbed the partnership as Saving Species with Faeces. They want to identify causes of poor population growth of Africa's mega-herbivores, including Grevy zebras, Cape Mountain zebras and black rhinos. A major focus for the initiative is the endangered black rhinos. Now, the team says their faeces is a source of useful data to help understand the health of the animal. Dr. Sue Walker is head of applied science at Chester Zoo in England.
Started looking at hormones, and then we realized you could actually look at lots of things in fecal material. And what we've done with the University of Manchester is develop this toolkit to understand why species like black rhino might not be breeding very well. And if we can understand that, then we can inform management to make decisions, management decisions to maybe alter the way the animals are being managed to increase reproduction. And then what we kind of struck us is that we could do this not only in black rhinos, but we could do this in Grevy zebras, we could do this in other big herbivores. And what also we could do is not just to think about zoos, but think of populations in zoos and populations that exist inside their natural range, like in Kenya, for example. We could think of them as one meta-population, and we can apply the same toolkit to understand why the animals in Kenya might not be breeding as well, or what might be impacting reproduction.
Now, the initiative will cost some $1.4 million and hopes to develop a strategy to promote national or natural reproduction. Now, Kenya had a rhino population of over 1,000 in 2017, of which 745 are black rhinos and 510 are southern white rhinos and 3 were northern white rhinos. In June this year, 11 black rhinos were transferred to a new home for safety following the death of the world's last male northern white rhino, named Sudan in Kenya, in March. Now, let me take you on a visit to the laboratory where artificial hearts are produced. Carmot's new artificial heart plant is located in Bois-de-Yvelines in France. Here, scientists and researchers have created artificial hearts and produced more than 50 prostheses. Now, the company is hoping to move into industrial production and get the nod to commercialize their products in Europe. On Thursday, August the 30th, Carmot announced that it had received industrial certification. Currently, the company has produced about 50 prostheses for both in-house testing and clinical trials. Now, Wenzel Hutag is industrial director at Carmot.
So we are here with a set of 400 pieces where we find electronic components, electronic boards, sensors. There are high-tech polymers that are all biocompatible. We have silicon, we have titanium, even software. And so this set weighs a little over a kilo, which is ultimately about the weight of a human heart.
According to official figures, there are more than 100,000 patients in Europe and the United States waiting for heart transplant. But globally, there are only 5,000 donors each year.
We have already produced 52 Carmot prostheses for testing or for treating patients. So in patient configuration, it is clear that when you have 3/4 prostheses, you discover a lot. At 52, you already have a lot more.
Now, sadly, there have been setbacks in the past, and so experts are calling for restraint as studies continue. And that's all I have for you on SciTech this week. I am Ignatius Ano. Let the conversation continue on Twitter. Follow me at Ignatius Ano. Again, thank you for watching and goodbye. Let me hand you over to King Jerry and Queen Hanan, who have the rest of the morning call. It's right here on Africanews.